YouTube. This is the new pantry. All installed. I got the results that I wanted. I had to switch up the design. What I had in mind was a lot different than what this is, but I like this a lot better. Pull out drawers here. Pull out things. Soft clothes. Pull out here. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Who's pantry doing that? I like it. Got two shelves up top for stationery. Those, it doesn't make sense to pull out way up here. You can't even see what's in there. But mid all the way down to the bottom, absolutely. So now I'm gonna get this food in here.